A little time went by. Dashrath requested Guru Vasisht to do the Namkaran, to give the names to these children. Vasisht took Ram in the lap and he said, Jo Anand Sindhu Karrasi Si Karte Trailokya Supasi So Sukhadham Rama Asanama Akhil Lokadayak Vishrama. This little child, he is going to be an ocean of bliss to everybody who remembers him. And that is why I am giving him the name Ram. So there have been different Rams in our Indian history. 3 have been famous. One is Raghav Ram. The other is Yadav Ram, Balaram, who will come later on. And the third is Bhargav Ram, Parshuram. Then Vasishji looked at the second child and said, he will do the Bharan Poshan of many people, and that's why I give him the name of Bharat. So there are also 3 famous Bharats. One is Shakuntalanandan Shurveer Bharat, who used to count the teeth of lions. And the other is Bharat Maharaj Rishabdev Putra. And the third is Dashrath Nandan Bharat. And then he looked at the third child and said, he will be an ocean of good qualities. Lakshano ki Khan. So I give him the name Lakshman. And this child, he will be the slayer of enemies. I give him the name Shatrughna. Now what enemies did Shatrughna slay? Do you remember him killing any demons? He turned the battle inward and conquered the inner enemies. These are the 4 children of Dashrath. Now the people were just crowding to come and have darshan. And the greatest devotee of Ram is Lord Shiv himself. How can he hold himself back? So Shiv came to Ayodhya. He changed his form and took on the form of a sadhu, Baba. Accompanying him was the devotee of Ram's childhood form, Kagbhushundi. Kagbhushundi says in the Ramayana, Prati Brahmanda Ram Avatara Bal Vinod Dekhahu Apara. In whichever universe Ram takes the avatar, you see, the avatar is over in this universe, it starts in the next. Over in the next, starts in the next. Like the sun keeps moving. And they are infinite universes. So every time the avatar is happening somewhere, Kagbhushundi says that I am such a devotee of the childhood form. Wherever the Ram avatar is taking, I go there and I watch his Bal Leelas, his childhood pastimes. Shankarji and Kagbhushundi came as a Sadhu Baba and his assistant. Sadhu Babas have assistants, right? So Kagbhushundi is the assistant. But there was such a crowd for darshan that they were not allowed entry. Hey, Babaji, baad mein aao. So Shankarji felt daunted. What to do? He took Kagbhushundi and they both sat on the banks of the river Saryu. And Shankarji started praying to Ram. Oh Prabhu, I came for your darshan here. Will I not receive the blessing of seeing your divine form? The Lord Ram knows everything. His external leela may be anything, but internally he is Sarvagya. So Sarvagya. Now here Shankarji is praying, there Ram started crying. So Kaushalya is seeing her child crying, oh beta, nahi, chup. The more she consoles her baby, the more he's doing ba ba. The Kaushalya got extremely worried. The mother also understands the child. Children are also politicians. When they want something, they'll, oh. The mother knows he's only crying and acting. But when the child does bah, then the mother can't resist. And this is what is going on. And all the Sakhis, they are trying to quieten him. But he is going about as if some big disaster has happened. So one Sakhi of Kaushalya said, "Did you figure out?" Kaushalya said, "What?" "You know what? This huge crowd came. Yeah, किसी की बुरी नजर लग गई है तेरे लाला को. Somebody's evil eye has befallen him." Now bholi bhali Kaushalya, she fell for those words. She said, yes, 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 otherwise why is he not stopping? Go and find out somebody who can remove this evil eye. The Sakhis went here and there. Ram is sitting inside the Sakhis. He guided them to Shivji. So Shankarji is sitting there with Kak Bhushundi. The Sakhis came. They said, Babaji, do you know how to remove the buri nazar? Shankarji said, yes, I know very well. What is your introduction? He said, I am Sadashiv Joshi. So they said, aye. Now they brought Shankarji. So earlier he was being pushed out. Now he is walking in as the royal guest of Kaushalya because he is going to remove the buri nazar. And Kak Bhushundi warned him. He said, look, you are no Sadashiv Joshi. You have to take me along with you. If you don't keep me with you, I will open your secret that who you are. So Shankarji said, to remove the evil eye, I need my assistant. We will do the whole puja together. So the two of them went. Now, moment they entered the chamber of Kaushalya, Ram, who had been crying, bha, bha, Shankarji looked at him, Maharaj, what kind of leela are you doing? Anand Sindhu. That is why he's got the name Ram. The ocean of bliss is in his leela, crying like a little child. But see, supposing your neighbor said, I am participating in a drama, and he gives you a free pass. And when you go to the drama, you find that your neighbor has got an astonishing role, like a loafer or something. So you won't go and sit there and say, "Kyun bhai, kya acting kar rahe ho?" You will think in your mind, what kind of acting is he doing? But outside, you will go along. So Shankarji is just thinking, what kind of acting is going on here? What leela is this? And baby Ram, he looked at Shivji and he stopped crying. He started doing his childhood giggling. Kaushalya saw the transformation. She was extremely impressed. She said, my, this Baba is definitely Siddh. He has come and immediately removed the evil eye. She said, Babaji, I am indebted to you. Shankarji thought, may as well take advantage of the situation. So he said, Maya, if you want, you give this child of yours in my lap. I will do such a thing that nobody will ever again cast an evil eye upon him. Kaushalya was already impressed. So she said, all right, Babaji. Now she handed her baby. So baby Ram, now imagine, he's got little limbs and bluish complexion and smiling face, but his face is different from Krishna's. Krishna has got a veneer of mischief on his face, and Ram has got that maryada. Like, I went to somebody's house, they have the elder child and the younger child. So you can make out the elder child has got that Maryada Swarup and the younger child is mischievous. So Ram has got that Maryada look on his eyes. Even if you look at our deities, you will see the difference. So now Shivji, he is holding Ram in his lap. And Kag Bhushundi thought, I must not miss this chance. So Ram's little feet were jutting out. Kag Bhushundi placed his head and offered pranam at the little feet of Ram. Maya said, Babaji, do you know how to read the lines of the hands and feet? Shivji said, yes, Maya, let me tell you. When he grows big, he will become very famous. His fame will spread all over the 3 worlds. People will construct temples for him. Maya is becoming thrilled at the future of her little child. And Shivji said, when he becomes a teenager, one Baba will come and take him away. Now Maya got worried. You know, when a teenage child starts doing too much Radhe Radhe, the parents say, oh, I hope he will not become a Baba. Maya said, what? He will go with a Baba in the forest. Don't worry, in that episode he will get married and bring a beautiful wife. Maya thought, that is so nice. So Babaji, does he have the line of ruling as a king in his hand? Shankarji said, Maya, you know, it is not yet so developed. Travel line is very developed. He is going to do lot of traveling. But this line is not developed. If you wish, I will come back again after a few years to check up once more. So Shankarji departed. Bhagavan Ram, he is doing his little pastimes, toddling around in the courtyard of Dashrath and Kaushalya, bestowing varieties of bliss.